Paris, yes. Amazing. Christia, tell us, is this a place to be or is this a place to be?
Definitely the place to be.
So ladies and gentlemen, you've heard it. You don't need to hear anything else. Sensatori to the world and back. Sherry Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited.
Resort, we ensure that even our children are taken care of. So we have Gerbo in our food display restaurants that they can take advantage of. And should you want to get this as a part of an amenity in your room, you can get that because we can have room service deliver this for you. Now, not to only limit our children to this, but we do have strollers, bottle warmers, sterilizers. We have the baby's robe if you want a baby's robe. We have a step up for them if you want a step up for them. We do provide a bath should you want to have a bath, a crib or a playpen should you want that.
And all of this is at an extra. It's at an extra cost.
No, it is not at an extra cost.
You're trying to tell me that this is. I know you said included.
It is included.
Thank you.